Hi, welcome to NeeNee's house. Today I am making chicken pot pie. I started by preparing my chicken. I boiled 2 bone-in chicken thighs in a pot with some onions, celery, salt, pepper, and water. Now I've cut up my potatoes, some more celery, and some mushrooms, and I'm going to use a bit of this chicken broth base. Here is the broth that I have from when I cooked my chicken. If you are using a rotisserie chicken, you'll need to bring some prepared broth to a boil. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the base just to enhance the flavor a bit. And then I'm going to add my vegetables. I'm going to let the vegetables cook for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. Now you can add 1 can of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken soup, but I have a little bit of this prepared cream soup mix, so I'm going to just add that in and whisk it in until it's all smooth and combined well. Then I'm going to add in some frozen peas and carrots and some frozen corn. I'm just using up the little bits and pieces of vegetables that I had in my freezer and in my refrigerator. I'm going to give that a good stir and then add in my deboned chicken. You can also use rotisserie chicken if you'd like. I'm going to taste it and see if I need to adjust the seasoning. I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup, and some extra black pepper. And then I'm just going to let it simmer on the stove while I prepare the pie crust. Sometimes I just pour it into a 13 by 9 pan and put some biscuits on top, but Steve really likes a double crust, so that's what I'm doing today. And I'm using this refrigerated pie crust. I'm pressing it into my pie pan. Then I'm going to pour the hot filling into the dish and cover it with the other pie crust, making sure it fits snugly around the edges. Then I'm going to crimp the edges with a fork and make 4 slits in the top so the steam can escape. I'm going to place it on a cookie sheet in case it overflows and bake it at 375 degrees until the crust is golden brown. And here's what it looks like. Doesn't look like a piece of pie, but it was delicious and it turned out really good this time. I was very happy with the results. Thanks for watching.